So in the Honda CR-V 2012-2014 and I think also 2015-2016, you have several options to fold the back seat. The first option is not that easy. You have this strap here to control the headrest. You just take it out a little bit and the handrest is down, and then another strap is here. You just pull it and everything happens automatically, so you don't need to adjust anything. The seat just falls on its own. But to move it back, you will need to do everything manually. Be careful with the seat belt, because it will not allow you to fasten this lock. So this is how it works the more complicated way. But if you go into the trunk of your car, you will have the easier way to do this. There is a handle here and there is a handle on this side, and they can allow you to do everything with just one move. So you move like that and your seat goes down automatically. So you have just the same picture as if you pulled those two straps. To move it back, you still will need to use your hands and to remember about the seat belt. Don't forget about the headrest, because if you leave it this way, then the person who sits into your car may get hurt. This is how it works on this side, and it works the same on that side, absolutely the same.